So now the other part, this one also should be more to here. The last one I think did not mirror, so our copy. So I will take copy from that one also. Okay. Okay, now the next thing here, if you have daylight like thing, direct daylight, because it will be fill or some slope, then it will be fill from there. So I will copy the daylight only from here. So for the right side, you can see here, it will connect to this road, so it's mean no need for the any daylight, or I will put the vertical. You can leave it as like here, so it will kind of whatever, or just copy this one. Let's copy from the right side, or if you want, there are two options. Just copy this one to the side here. From this side it will connect to the, and from the properties, just go to the property of this daylight here, and for the here slope point 0 1, like this put here, so 0 1. Also for the pill 0 like 5 or 6 0, and work like this. Okay, so now it will connect vertically. The other thing, if you don't want to put this one, delete, and from the generic vertical, link vertical, you can put this one, or there is another option, link to surface, from here, put here. Okay, and then go to the properties of this one. Is 2% slope, so apply 0. I think I did not, I forget the one, so like this, it is now vertical. So in both cases it will help. I'll remove only left the lane, and it will work like this one. Okay, now let's check the to create the corridor. I will go to the create the corridor here. I will select the roundabout. From here the alignment, this alignment. Okay, this roundabout I need the PGL assembly. I will select this assembly. If you don't know the name, just click here and select roundabout. Okay, combine surface, and okay, and here select combine surface, apply, and rebuild. And now check the this is our corridor. If you go to the editor here, you will see I will change the option here. This side, the inner side, as you can see, it's connecting to this part, but the right side, it's vertical, so it's ending here. It's mean the right side ending here, so when we will bring the corridor for the main road, it will end up to this line. You can get the next station. I see here, choose the next station. As you can see, for each station it's being like this one. Now the right side vertical, the left side is okay. So for the roundabout, you can create also. You must create a surface. So if you want to create the surface, just from the here, the roundabout, select, go to property, and from the property create a surface roundabout. This I will write datum surface. Okay, datum surface roundabout here. The bottom length, the here the datum, and add here. Also go to the boundaries, and from here, if it's working daylight, if it's not, corridor extend to the surface here. Okay, now it's create the surface here. So there are two methods in which you can calculate the cut fill quantity of this roundabout. The first one, if you go to the analyze here, for roundabout, I will select the volume for roundabout, and the base surfaces combined surface. The next surface is datum of surface of roundabout, and here, as you can see, the fill cut is less cut, and the fill is for 4509. If I go to the profile, this profile, as you can see, I will delete the line because I will draw this line here. As you can see, all this is a fill, so it's maybe there's some places we have cut, but all here it's showing the fill quantity. So I will hide the
هذا الطائف كبر الطائف مين شغل انت سوسو ولا مين؟
لا ما في شغل طيب، لا ما في شغل انا طيب،
ما في؟ كبري
كوبري هو شغل، كوبري برلو شغل.
دكتور برلو؟
ايوه. This volume I will from the property. Okay. Also the surface, I don't know need the surface, so yes, I will go to the surface property from here. Okay. Now if you want to create the section for this roundabout, you must create the simple line. The one method we created here, the cut fill volume, and the cross section volume will be different from it because it's surface to surface volume, and the cross section we will